Yes, in class 11th accountancy, we are on the chapter number 6, that is depreciation. And in the depreciation, yesterday we completed that one type of fixed installment methods numerical. And I'm sure you must be able to do that type of questions in which date and cost price given. Now today we are going to do the second method. Second method is little bit different. Like the formula is different. As I told you yesterday, I gave you two formulas. So here also another formula. First formula we completed. You can see previous videos. Now today we are going to do the next formula, and next formula method question I will give you. But before that, we should discuss the formula for calculation of depreciation. Depreciation is equals to cost price minus scrap value upon life. Cost price minus scrap value upon life. So, no, you should note down the question, then I will be able to explain you. Yes, please note down the question, then we will discuss this type of question. Yes. So, as I explained you yesterday, today we will do by the same method, but the formula will be different. See, on 1st April 2018, 1st April 2018, 1st April 2018, X Limited purchased a car of rupees 2 lakh, car of rupees 2 lakh, scrap value 20,000, scrap value 20,000, life 9 years, life 9 years. Calculate depreciation and prepare a car account. Yes, I am repeating the question by second method. This is second method of fixed installment. Fixed installment, second method. Note down the question. Formula, I will discuss it again. 1st April 2018, a car of rupees 2 lakh. Scrap value 20,000. Life 9 years. Company purchased it. Calculate depreciation and prepare car account. My dear children, look at the board. This is cost price minus scrap value upon life. Am I audible now? Okay. Now the cost price is, what is the cost price here? 2 lakh. What is the scrap value there? 20,000. What is the life? 9. See here? Then you will be able to understand. 2 lakh is the cost price. 20,000 is the scrap value. Life is 9 years. Then 1,80,000 divided by 9. That is 20,000 rupees per annum. 20,000 rupees per annum. See, we have to put the values in the formula. Cost price minus scrap value upon life. Cost price is 2 lakh. Scrap value 20,000. Life is 9 years. So when we divide it, that is 20,000 rupees per annum. This is the calculation of depreciation first of all. Now how to make car account? Today This is debit side, date, particular amount. This is credit side. Make the little bit one more line. So make the portion. So same date, particular amount. This is credit side. Okay. Now in the center you will write car account. Car account. Now we are going to start one by one. First, date of purchase. 1st April 18. To bank. As I told you, this is according to the rule of general entry or accounting rules. Car account debit to bank account because the car comes in and the amount from bank is going out. So 2 lakh rupees is amount. In few books, in place of bank, cash is written. So it's your choice generally according to Income Tax Act or according to the rule. We should make the large amount payment through bank account only. So this is 1st April. Now we are moving. Okay, look at the screen. Yes, look at the board. This is 31st March 19 by depreciation. Now, as I told you, in the depreciation you will put 20,000 rupees. So this is 20,000 rupees by depreciation account. Now by the same day, 31st March 19, again by balance CD. Balance CD, balance carried down, that is 1,80,000. Total over. This is 2 lakh. Here also we will put the total of 2 lakh. Those who are absent yesterday, look it again here, see it again, how we can calculate the balance. This is bank account 2 lakh, depreciation 20,000, so balance remaining 1,80,000. We carry forward this balance here, but the date is now 1st April 19. 1st April 19 to balance BD. And the balance BD from here to here, that is 1,80,000. Then 31st March 20, because the year ends on 31st March 20, by depreciation account, again 20,000. Why again 20,000? Because this is fixed method of depreciation. So fixed method of depreciation means the amount of depreciation will be same anyhow. Okay. So by balance CD, 1,80,000 minus 20,000, the balance remaining 1,60,000. Again the total will be same, that is 1,80,000. Here also 1,80,000. These are the 2 years, and if in the exam that is given made for 4 years, we have to continue it for the next 4 years also. But first you will see it 2 lakh is the purchase price or the cost price. Scrap value given in the question, life given in the question. So depreciation amount calculated by this way in the formula. Why we use this formula? Because the rate of depreciation is not given. So we should use it. Okay. Cost price minus scrap value upon life. 20,000 rupees per annum. Everything given in the question. Cost price means purchase price. Scrap value means residual value or at the end of the value. End value. And life means how many years we will use that machine or that fixed asset properly. So depreciation means reduction in the value of every year. Clear? 20,000. Now, first year 20,000, balance remaining 180, then 180 will come here, then depreciation 160. Now, if the question is saying that we should move further, then we will continue that question. So, how to continue that question? Now, you will take the balance 1,60,000. Carry forward, please carry forward. This is the balance CD. Now the next year, the balance BB. Please do it. 1,60,000. Then in the next year, again depreciation of 20,000. So balance will be 1,40,000. Okay. Now you will carry that balance of 1,40,000. Next year, then the depreciation 20,000 again. So the remaining will be 1,20,000. So after 4 years, the value of that car will be 1,20,000. Got it? Clear? Now I am going to give you another question. Please note down. Note down one question. Yes. See, okay. 1,60,000 you will carry forward here. Then 20. 1,40,000. Okay. Then in the next year, 1,40,000 will be balance brought down means beginning balance. 20,000 again. So the remaining is 1,20,000. In this way, you will do the question for how many years they ask. If they told you prepare the account for 3 years, you have to make for 3 years. Generally, if they said that you have to prepare for 4 years, then there will be 4 columns for 4 years. Yes, now note down one more question. And this question is for 2 machines. Okay, method will be same. Note down please. On 1st April 2016, company purchased a plant of rupees 4 lakh scrap value is 1 lakh. Scrap value 1 lakh. Then on 1/4/18, company purchased another plant of rupees 5 lakh